it's hard not to hate. People, things, institutions. When they break your spirit and take pleasure in watching you bleed. Hate is the only feeling that makes sense. But I know what hate does to a man. Tears him apart, turns him into something he's not. Something he promised himself he'd never become.
People talking like they're gods, but that's just not the deal. If you want to keep the things you love, then you better learn to kneel.
I know who you are now.
Father,
What you did.
so many things now that you're gone.
I love you, Dad.
How I wish I had more power. Oh yeah, how I wish I had more power.
I get the pain that you're in, Jax. And the damage that she's caused is unbelievable. But a son killing his mother. Jax, that's a wound that's too deep to heal.
Just enough to stop the bleed. And you won't get the girl you want, but you'll get the girl you need.
What's the matter, Jax? What happened?
Everything's gonna be fine.
Mother,
You're a good mom, Wendy.
that I was angry for too long. How I wish I had more power. Oh yeah, how I wish I had more power.